You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. There are more videos for you if you want to learn. There are different pronunciations depending on the family. Schlesinger is one of them. That's the more English pronunciation, probably a bit even more British. Now, in American English, it's more commonly pronounced as Schlesinger. No, that's actually the German. Schlesinger in American English. Therefore, Schlesinger as well, or Schlesinger, as in John Arthur Schlesinger, or John Schlesinger. So there are different pronunciations. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.